Guys, I got a 2019 Toyota Camry here. If you need to reset the light on this car, the engine oil light, you're watching the correct video. So what you're gonna do is get inside the car, make sure you have the key. All right, you're gonna put the engine on. It's fine, put the engine on. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use this keypad right here, and we're gonna pay attention to the screen there. All right, so pretty much you see the information right there. You have the gear there, you have the car, an exclamation mark. So we're gonna go across first. Just push down on this and the screen will pop up like that. Then we're gonna go across to the gear. Once we're in the gear, we're gonna select vehicle settings, press OK. Then we're gonna go down, 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 and we're gonna go to the schedule maintenance right there. We're gonna press OK here in the center. Then we're gonna go up, reset. That's how simple it is. Reset complete. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. If you have any questions, don't forget to send me a message. All right, bye bye. See you on the next one.